I think looking at, say, climbing up staircases versus using the escalators and elevators, say lifts. If you think about it, it's just a matter of like, does someone actually put in effort? Just do they want to put in the effort? Are they okay to put in the effort if they have to? Like, this can be evaluated in anything, but something as simple as using the staircase, right? But yeah, of course, some people might want to just reserve their energy, conserve their energy for some reasons, while others might just be like, I'll just gain more energy. Not easy, of course. You need to eat and stuff to gain some energy. And then there are also some, I think there is a theory wherein if you just simply sit around for a lot of time, you might feel tired. But if you actually walk around a lot, ideally you're losing energy, but you also gain some momentum and you do have some energy levels going up, and you can use that energy to do other stuff, right? So something for me to research about. But yeah, I mean, escalators and elevators and whatnot. Maybe if people use staircases, maybe you will notice that people who use staircases, they are very few, and they stand out. So if you really want to just stand out simply, you can stand out this way. But yeah, of course, if you're actually going with a group of people, like for example, when I go with my colleagues and all, in my workplace and all, I'm like, I usually just join them instead of trying to be the odd one out, because I just want to just be around them a bit and socialize and whatnot, than just chuck them and just go. Though I would love to just chuck them and use the staircase for my own habit, but since I hang around with them only at times, say once in a while, once in a day or two, so I would rather just, it's fine, be like, it's okay, let's go with them. Most times I would rather just use the staircase and stick to my habit than just try to fit in and socialize. I would rather just stand out in most cases, right? But I'm expected to actually mingle with my colleagues and whatnot, and gel, they call it gel with your colleagues and whatnot, and socialize and whatnot, so that you have a good team camaraderie and whatnot. Something I still am learning, team camaraderie and whatnot, but and about teamwork and trust within the team and whatnot. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about the whole escalators and elevators and staircase thing. So yeah, if someone's using the staircase, it's clear that they're putting in the effort, while they could actually use the escalators and elevators. Of course, unless they're actually being forced to use the staircase because the escalator is not working, elevator is not working, and whatnot. So yeah, that's all I had for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.